Hello you guys, welcome to Talessia's Kitchen. In this edition, I'm going to show you how I make my filet mignons. And this is the best kind of steak that you can have. It's very, very tender, real easy to make. So what I got going on now, I'm going to show you. Well, cause I already seasoned my filet mignon and I cut them to about, a 1/4 inch thick. You can cut them however you want. What you'll need, and I'll put a description below of what seasoning. Some garlic cloves, some thyme, some bay leaves. I got a cast iron skillet and I got it on getting hot, and some margarine, spread butter, whichever one you have, it don't matter, and some extra virgin olive oil. And you got your oven heated to 370, 375. Now you cook your beef, if you want it medium rare, however. I like mine's well done with cheese. Not as well done because it's so tender. I don't want to dry it out, but well done. So you can go ahead and put your oil in a skillet. You just want to coat the skillet. And this is considered pan seared, so you want to make sure that this skillet is hot. So we're going to go ahead and just let that heat up. Okay, this is considered pan seared because you're putting it in there to the extreme hot heat so it can just brown on the side. So you let them, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in there. Let them cook on each side for about 3 minutes. Go ahead and add a few of these in there. Add the thyme. The bay leaves, a couple pieces of garlic. You can't go wrong with enough garlic. Now you're gonna let these cook for like 3 minutes on each side, then I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you come back. Then go ahead and add some butter in there, and then we're gonna turn it over. Okay, now it's time for this to go in the oven. We're going to put this in the oven until it's cooked how you like it. Some people like it medium rare, some people eat it like this, but I like mine's kind of well done. So I'll show you what it looked like when it come back. Okay, we are back. Oh my God, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. Now you can leave it in the oven for however long that you like your beef. I like mine's well done. Well, I just want to show you. Let me go grab a knife. Okay, let's look how this is in the inside. Look at how that cut. Oh my God, it smells so good. If this had a taste test, you would like it. Let me know how you make your filet mignon. Do you pan sear? Do you just bake it? How whichever. But you can serve this with anything. So Let me know how yours turn out. If you made mine, let me know how it turned out. Thank you all for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen. Me cooking filet mignon. You have a blessed day.